Okay, so after the session, I'll be sharing you the feedback link. Okay, guys. So in that link only, you have to share that link, whatever website you are going to do it. Okay. So that Ajay Mishra sir is going to explain how to do it and what to do. Is that clear now? So what happened is I'm giving you time till Monday morning 10 o'clock. Within that you have to upload. Okay. To get the certification. I hope I'm clearly understood, guys.
Yes,
If you have any doubt, please let me know now. Then I'll ask Sat to proceed the session.
no doubt, sir.
Okay, so one assignment, one task sir will give you, and I'm giving you ample amount of time. By Monday you have to upload. All right, so by Monday 10 o'clock you have to upload. Right? Okay. Thank you, guys. Sir, you can continue with the session, sir. Okay, and best
Okay,
of luck, all of you.
okay, okay, guys. So let's start with one more thing here. Yeah, here in the early morning, I have created one more CV here, which is also free. Like, have you seen this photographs, this contents? Like, it's some kind of blog. It's some kind of blog. It's also 100% free. So I will tell you how can. So initial in the last classes we learn 000 web host, how to create CV in the 000 web host. So this PPT I will send, sir will send you today. Okay, and this how to create in this website, the video is also there. Two thing is there. Okay, one is video, one is PPT. So class plus video and plus PPT. So you will get today. Today I'll send you after classes. Sir will send you through your email, or I don't know how. So you'll get. Now same thing is there also in the WordPress.com. You can create free domain. You can create free design also. So let's start with this. So today we have to finish. So I will tell you two more places where you can you know uh, create your free CV. So let's start with this thing. So first of all, is you how your CV will look, how your website will look like this one, and how your that URL. This is called URL. This is ajayrajmishra.wordpress.com. This is, so this is if you want to send somewhere your profile, you can send this also. In this section, you can easily, very easily create your profile also. This, like you can upload the images. So let's start with the zero. It's very easy. So let's do one thing, but you should remember only one thing. In this free demo, you will only very rare design you can use, and this is the free design that. So I will do one thing also. Yeah, I can write here. Okay, so let's do one thing. First of all, log out. Can reach here. This password I will give you. Don't worry. Janu karke. There is one password for that. So after reaching there, you have to do only 2 and 3 click, and their website will be ready. So first of all, you have to log in on that page. Then create into the add new. In the pages, you have to create into the add new. Okay, मैं थोड़ी धीमी. Create into the add new. Once you can create into the add new, you can find here. So you can give your name, like I am writing here designer AJ. Okay, so give your proper name here, no problem. After creating the give the proper name here. What to do, you should change this all the thing, this page attributes into the blogs page. Okay, this is one thing only you should do. Then after that, what to do, you have to change this one up. Publish it. You can click on the publish. After clicking the publish, you can click on the view page. After creating the view page, this is your websites. Okay, now I am going to upload some design over here. So first what I did, I log into the section WordPress. Then I create into the add new. Then I write my name. I change this page attribute, and what I'm going to do, this is the first thing, add it with blocks. Then import with catalog. You can find lot of things here. Suppose if you want to CV, you can click on the CV, and you will find lot of CV here like this one. So you can select anyone. In the last session I have selected this one. So let's tell you about this one CV also. If you want to select another one, you can select it very easily. So let's select today, which we have to select some interesting. Okay, let's select this one, install black. So this free theme you can use for your work. all free themes are available. Only one is paid, this one is paid, you have to pay for that, but others are remaining. I think this CVs are good one. After installing you can find this major message, and it will take some time. Now it's installed. Okay, now no need to do something about that, no need to do something about that. If it will take restore the backup, the backup postage draws difference from version below. Okay, let's click on that, let's see what happened. Then update, let's see if that design is work properly, it will reach. If right, great this. Now your website is ready, so you have to do this all this thing only, and you have to change this name. No need to do lot of thing, this two thing. Now I am going to delete this page, I am creating again. Okay, now I am going to doing this all the thing again. I will do this thing same thing 5 to 6 times, you can understand how to do. First of all, what to do, you have to go to the pages, yeah, and add new. Okay, pages, add new. After going to the add new, what to do, you can write here. Okay, I am writing here my name, is it design tool. Okay, now you can drop down here, select the blocks page editor. Okay, great. Now after that you have to publish, again publish. After that what to do, you after publish, this is your website but you are not finding anything here. This is your website but you are not. Now I am going to upload the design. Click on the edit, then click on the catalogs, and you will find here CV. Then you can find lot of designs here. Suppose if you want to upload this one, you can click here. So it will take some time. So there is no design right now, and this is my CV ring. If I need design, and if I have any assignment project, anything, I can send this link to the any person. So now I am going to upload this design here. So it's taking some time here. So it depend on your internet speed, and it depend on the designing of CV. Some design can upload very fastly, some design can take some time. So it's something like this one. Okay, great, it's installed. Now I reach to here. Great. Okay, now I'm not finding anything here, so I think everything is ready. First of all, let refresh here. If design is upload, that design, great, good guys. So only these two thing you have to do, and after do not try to change right now. If you want to do, if you having a time, you are very busy person, but if you will change this all the thing, it is also good. Now again third time I am doing this all the thing. So creating the new CV, what to do? First of all, you have to write here one domain. I will give you the link of this domain, that is jumindcv.com, this one. Okay, after that you have to write this one, this WP admin. You will find this link very properly, don't worry, you'll find this link. So now I'm clicking from zero, again I'm saying. So first again click on that, you will reach here. Okay, for your user password you can reach here. So first only you have to do only three things. So first of all, add new. After creating the add new, after creating the add new, you have to here write your name, design 4. Okay, then you have to select the themes, then you have to publish, then you have to publish, then you have to click the. Now you are not finding anything here, like I will show you this. This is your website link, this is your name. Okay, but you are not finding anything. Now going to design upload, this one, catalogs, CV, and you can find lot of things here. So suppose if you want to add anything, you can add it. So now okay, this first day I have already added. Install this thing again, this one completed. That's all, your CV is ready. Send this link. Before sending the this link, at least change the this your name. So how to change this all the thing, only you should click one. You have to click on the edit with blocks, edit with blocks, and you can going to change everything now, this one. Okay, so suppose I am writing here my name. Okay, or if you want to change something, like you want to change the images here, you can click on this section here. Once you can click, you will find this one. You can find a background, you can find the image here, and you can click on that, and you can very easily you can change somewhere. So if you have already uploaded some images, you can find that images here. If you have already uploaded, if before that you find lot of images in the last classes, I've already uploaded these images. So suppose if you want to upload, you should upload only big size images, not a small one. So the size is same one, no problem. So I have uploaded this one. You can upload your professional. You want to change these images, you can click here. Okay, so how to change this section, I'll show you here. You can click over here in this gearbox. Okay, let's go to the background. No, background is not there. So you have to click on this images. For changing, you have to click on this edit point. You can find this here. If you want to change your name and you want to uh-huh. I'm not getting the voice properly. Anyone? So if you want to change anything, you can change here. You can upload from here. You you can upload your design here. Uh-huh. Okay, no problem. So if you want to go in change, then you can just change the images, whatever your work is there. You can change this image, this one. So very easily you can change everything here, guys. So this website, if you want to delete something, suppose I want to delete something here, you can click here, you can delete like this one also. If you want to add something again here, you can click here, and you have to use html here. So in the html section you can find this. So how to upload, you go to the Google Map, suppose, or ADYP. Suppose this is the Google Map. If you want to add this somewhere, you can add this also very easily. I show you how. You can go to the your location map, where your location you can add. After that, go to the this share link. After share, you can find here. Okay, you can find two things, embed also and that also. Go to the embed one, or copy this one, and now I want to add my map here. So let's do one thing. Let's try this one first. So this two thing, let's add it with, yeah, not this one. How to edit the map, I'll show you. The text, and this one is the visual. So you have to add it like in the text only. Map, you should go to the here in the text, and you should add it. And right now map is there also. Now if you want to increase and decrease the map, what should you should do? This is the called width is there. Write down 100%. Yeah, great. You can save time to time everything here, and go to the visual only. Right, great. So this thing is there. Now scroll. If you want to add something, like if you want to add some more section on this, and suppose if you want to present a video gallery, you can click on there, and in the down section you will find here, click on there where you can write the video, or you can write the YouTube also. So you can find some videos gallery here. Suppose if you want to add the video gallery here, a lot of videos here, you can create on this video tiles. Okay, let's do one thing. You can change this. Okay, you can find. After finding this all the thing, what to do, guys? Click on this section, and first of all make it 100%. Okay, great. So now, yes, now it's 100%. Okay, looking good. Now if you want to change this height width also, 180 is there, you can change it. So how to change this section, I'll tell you. Click on this section and click on this edit. Now this video, so I want to add my video here. So I will repeat this all the thing again. Don't, guys, don't three time more, guys, before finish the class. So don't worry, just watch the video. Okay, great. So now suppose if you want to add some videos here, so suppose so in this section, suppose I want to add some video here. So any video can select, suppose this one. So what should you have to copy? You have to share on this one. After sharing, you can find one code here, this. So in only this you have to copy paste here. For that, it's better if you find write somewhere this code and copy paste this thing. Okay, and now go to the your this section. Now I want to edit, or you want to edit anything. If you I want to click on this one, I can edit this item, and this is a video name, or if you want to give the title, you can give it. Delete this everything here and write down here your name. And if you want to add the title, whatever your title is there, I don't know, not saying in the WordPress. So if you want to add this title, guys, so here you can add this title. Okay. Huh. So after that you can update the item, and I have updated only one, so let's update it again. And you like this your videos came right now. If you want to upload any images here, you can upload the images also. So this is a height and this is width. Let's do one thing. Can I change the width? Let's do into the 20. Let's do 20. Let's 100. This one is looking good. This is a proper actually, है ना? Great guys. So 180. Can I change it? It also to yes, this one is great, and make it more 10. Sorry guys. Yes. So you can change the height and width according to your requirement of this also. You can go to the save, and let's check how's your site is looking right now. For watching the site again, I'll tell you this is your link, this permalink, this is your link. Okay, let's click on that. In the permalink you can find your website link. This is your CV link. So if you want to save this CV, you can save here anything. So I have changed these images also, so you can change every images here. You can change this data, you can change this map. We have changed the map also, and this is the website. Let's click on that, and maybe same video. Yes, so it's running. So very easily, suppose if you want to create some more image gallery, you can create it. Okay, so guys, again I am doing the once more. I am doing same thing. Can I do it? Can anybody reply me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
From zero I am creating everything. Okay, so from login itself, okay. Now I don't have anything, this I don't have anything in my tab. Okay, suppose it's okay, great. Now from the zero itself, window D, everything is there. Open your laptop or computer, or even you can open your cell phone also. Okay, same thing is there. First of all, go to the browser and open your open the websites any, like I'll give you the link also. This one is websites link. Okay, you should write this thing on your browser, whatever browser you have, don't worry. Now refresh it your pages and again try one. Matlab log out it and then you can try, so then it's good. Let me check, because it will work now. Let me again change. Okay, let me change this one. Hmm. Okay,
Yes, sir. It came.
it came now.
Yes,
Now
sir.
only create to the add new pages. I think Nikhil animator already created. Okay,
Yes.
Nikhil have created. So what to do? I'll show you the next step also. Give me 1 minute. I'll give you the two user password. If that is not work, one more subdomain is domain is there, that will work. So let's create it with this one also. Okay, so now I'm creating. Nikhil, you can reply and you can create with me also. So let's do one thing. I have already created here Ajay, WP my name suppose. Okay, then after that you have to reach come to the drop down, select blocks landing page, blocks landing page. Once theme will come, everything will be okay. So click on the blocks landing page. Have you click it, someone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, after that publish it 2 times.
Yes, sir. I'm live now.
Okay, okay. Now what to do? I'll do you. After that, what to do? This click on the view page. You will not find anything. Hold down the control and click on the view page, and not down. You're not finding anything here. Okay. You can change your page. I am checking my my one only. So that I am saying कि different student can create CVs at a time, no problem. More than 100. So okay, now I will upload. Click on this edit box. Come back to again last tab. Click on the edit box. You can watch my screen. Click on the edit with blocks. If one student can do it, everyone can do it. So no problem. So it will work. It will work in the tab also. It work in the cell phone also. Don't worry. So click on the edit with blocks now here in your last tab. Either I will tell you how to reach this page again. No problem. Okay, you can click on the WP if you are not able to find. You can reply me actually.
Edit with blocks, sir. After that,
Okay, great. Now edit with catalog. Second one in the downside. Import from catalog.
yes, sir.
Okay. Now click in the downside. You can find different type of CV. In the future, you can use this all for your designing purpose. All are almost 99% are free. Now click on the CV in 14th number CV in the left side. CV resume. Click on the here left side CV resume 14 written there because 14 designs are there. It's wonderful fact 14 designs. And upload anything, any design, whatever you design you like. Can I go forward? So again I'm using any, you can use any after design. Let me upload this one, last one. Many design, every time I have uploaded different design. So let me upload this one, last one. You can upload anyone.
Done, sir. Done.
Okay, now great, good. Now how to change? In the top section you can find blocks, edit with blocks. In the top section, you in the top, in the just beside the URL, you can find edit with blocks. Click on that one time. uh,
Edit with blocks, visual editor, sir.
Edit with blocks, actually one name is there. Just click on the edit with blocks. So if your theme is heavy, it takes some time. If your theme is light, because different type of designs here. So edit with blocks and click on your name or somewhere. Okay, I'll show you, just a minute. Watch my screen now. Now After reaching this, you have to do not do in this page anything. No need to do anything. Again, come to your website here in beside. Okay, let's refresh it. And here there is only one word is here, added with blocks in the top section. This, have you seen my mouse? Added with blocks and nothing is there. Very small is there actually, that's why you are not able to see. It's very small here. Added
It's
with
not showing, sir.
have you logged in it? You have opened in some other tab or same tab beside you have to open, because without login it will not show. Have you
It's
logged in?
logged in, sir. It's logged in.
Logged in the top section?
Yes.
Huh. So can you send me the screenshot?
Sir, like, should I copy the URL of whatever?
No. Okay. In this, are you in this page?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, great. So click on this view pages in the downside. My mouse is there. Hold down the control and click on this pages. View my page. Actually, this is your link, dear.
Okay.
Click on my page. Hold down the control and it will be open. Great. I understand what happened.
Yes, sir. I clicked.
Okay.
So,
Now, yes. So do not do anything on this page. It's finished right now about this page. And sometime it asks restore the backup. You can click on the restore, but mostly not ask. Now, if you can find this, whatever your design, I don't know which design you selected. In the top one, you can find edit with blocks.
yes, sir.
Okay, got it. Now which design you have selected, so that I can tell you, but okay, let me start with this one. So please now watch my 1 minute again. So edit with blocks, and let me close some more tabs so it will work more fast. Okay, added with blocks, and you can find here everything will be added very properly. So I'll tell you what. So every edit section is same for every user, every student. Don't worry about that. But logic sometimes is different. So once you can click on there, now you can find some blue line over there. Which design have you selected? Can you? Okay, no problem. You can do one thing. You can reply. Just click on this gearbox, and you can find this beside one everything here. So if you want to change the background, you can change here, like this one. Images is there, you can change this images. You can change the color is not showing right now. Suppose if you want to change this text, you can click on this added. So right now everything is added, but you should add it from add-on section sometime, like I website. Yeah, this one, there is three things are there, so you can change I design websites, like this one. So you can click, whether you can click on the added, you can find here in the this section. You can click added items and you can find this whatever you want to change, you can find it very easily. And if you design WP and upgrade it, okay, and here is that the second section, you want to add it, you can design develop. Okay, no one to change, update it, so it will be I design WP. So everything is here. And suppose if you want to change this image, you can click here and you can change. So actually very easy, very easy. And after finishing this all the thing, you have to click time to time save the button. So when if you understand, you can do you can understand everything. Again I tell you, if you lost something, you can watch the videos also. Videos is there in the English also, in the Hindi also. Okay, can I send a video link? You require video on this one. uh, where, okay, this two video I have uploaded, and one more video is there, I forget that one. So you can go through this video, you can find everything whatever I am teaching here. But let me do one thing, I can edit some hard part here. So suppose what happens, suppose if this is the section, one section, and if you need the three section, or suppose if you want to need five section also. First of all guys, this is some ready-made design, so if you use same thing and you can edit, it is good for you, because it's very responsive. Responsive means I can tell you this, it will work with each and every device, whether it is tab or iPhone or anything. Even it will work in the Apple I watch also. So everything you can edit. Suppose you want to edit this thing, you can just click on that. In everything you can find very easy. It's a very simple design. So again I will tell you once more last time, because time is very remaining. From the zero I will reply this thing, but it's good if you go through the video, same videos there. Last 3 days I am saying this. So what is the link? This is your link only. This is your link. So suppose, go guys, I can close this one and I can tell you, suppose day second you want to work in the same page, what to do. Okay, this is very important. Let me do one thing, close everything now. Now I'll tell you one thing. Now day second is there. Now you want to edit your design again. Okay, are you watching my screen again?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
so suppose again you have to log in on same thing. I can log out here. Okay, and I think JNU 2020. Okay, let's log in the same page. I think Nikhil have already created. So suppose Nikhil have login again in the same page. He can go to the all pages and he can find the Nikhil pages here. So this is the Nikhil page, Nikhil animator. Okay. So right now do not edit others one, because your group is there. I know very well. So click on the edit. So you can find here one more, edit with blocks landing page. This one. So do not go to the edit section. Once you can go to the edit section, you cannot find. So what is the link? If you go to the quick link, quick edit, you can find this everything here. If you want to change your name, you can change from here also. Quick link is there. Okay. Now if you want to edit, what to do? Again I can refresh the page and show you that. If you want to edit, you can find here edit with blocks. You can edit with blocks. So hold down the control, it will be open to the next tab, and again you can reach in the same page. Let me see what design. Nikhil have selected this one. I think he changed the images also. Okay, so now this section he can edit very easily. He can change the word date, here. You can change everything also. In this section you can change very easily. This images you can change very easily. So let me change some images. So he can click on this particular place and he can find this one and he can change. So if it is good if you check, use same size images. Okay, if it is good you can change. Like again I am selecting any pages here and you can insert and it will be changed this very easily. This you can change this section also, write some your work related something here and you can send. So this changing map is little bit tough, so that I am saying guys. Okay, so how to change the map I will show you. First of all, it's very easy to change this one, but how to change the map? First of all, click on there and you can find here. So if you choose from here, it can show something of this. So what to do guys, if you want to delete it, no problem. You can click here, you can find delete button here, है ना, dustbin. Okay, so after clicking on dustbin, maybe your website page will be look like this, and if you want to add your section here, you can click on the add, and you can scroll it, you can find blocks here. Then after again click on that and search html here, right here, and you can find this box, insert it. Okay, now go to the Google Map, whatever your location is there. Suppose so this is the Google Map. Suppose if you click here and you can find this section here. Again, in this section you can find share. In the share section you can find embed, this embed button. Okay, and this section, how to add the Google Map, I can, in this theme I can upload one more video. After again come to your website, this section again. Okay, in this section do not go to the visual, go to the design section. This in the drop down, in the design section you have to copy paste this thing guys, this. Okay, and here you can find one thing, width. In the width just write 100%, just write 100% and nothing. Okay, great guys, now you can save this section. Go to the visual, you can find this map. I have saved this section also, and it will be displayed, don't worry. So how this now I can check the page of this. Go to the Nikhil pages again and go to the view, this section, and go to the view, and you can find this. So this image is there, everything is there, this section is there, this image is there, this contact page is there. Now map is not coming. Let me see what happened. So again, let me do one thing. Let's click on that. What happened? This some HTML text. Okay. Let me check what happened. Here, come here. In this section again, click on the plus section. Okay. Suppose this box is there. Click on here. HTML came here. In this section, go to the text box. You can copy paste this thing. You can save this. Let me check what happened. So in some design it happened, but not in each and every design, guys. So don't worry about that also. Okay, it's saying maybe it will upload some after some time. So this is the way your map will become here. Don't worry. Same process, 100%. So some design it not take, but mostly 90% design can take the map also. So this is the way, DS, you have to do something like this. If you want to delete some other pages, like suppose I don't require this one. Aditya have created the pages. Ashan have created the pages. Ajan have created 2 pages. Do not create it this one. If you don't require other pages, you can go and you can delete it also. I'm not going to delete this one, but select this one and you can move to top. Because if there is if I find 2 name of same student, definitely I delete anyone. So this one, let me check this pages also. So give some wonderful name. Yes, he created one CV like this. So only you have to change this name and content. You can click edit and you can change everything and name it proper, so that this name should be not like this one, bad map. Okay, but you should make the proper name of it, not like this one. So again, you can edit and you can change everything, like very easy. So guys, you understand? Can I close the classes? Do you require anything from my side?
Understood, sir.
PDF, sir.
Very easy actually, really. If you work, you
Okay,
can find easy. Only 2-3
sure,
click
sir.
and CV is ready. So please create your CV, upload your good photograph, good work, and again I will tell you, this is the link. This quick link, you can find the link, or you can go through also this view, and this is your website link. This. So if you write your proper name will come here, because you are not writing proper name, so it will give you the bad impact. So try to use your proper name. It will give you the good impact. Okay, dear. Bye bye. Take care. If you require some more thing, you can tell me and send me. I will check everything here in the Monday. I will once I will check everything. Your CV is ready. I will send name to the sir, and he will give 2 certificates. Okay, stop share. I am leaving, sir. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
thank
Thank
you
you,
so
sir.
much, Ajay sir. Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much.
dear. Thank you, everyone.
Remaining students, please wait.